Hey, I didn't know that this thing is what our big content creators are doing. Hey, I didn't even know. We are just here deceiving ourselves. Keep on watching their videos. They will say new YouTubers gather here. We will just gather there. But after gathering, we will watch videos. After it, we will go and do what they have done to see if we will grow. Yet their video will be going viral while our own, well, it's the same topic we are treating. All because of what? They have built their audience. They have built their audience, and we are here deceiving ourselves in the comment section. My dear, I am here to open your eyes today. All those big YouTubers, all of them, even the middle ones, all of them, they are doing fine today is because of what? Us. They are doing well today is because of what? Us, new YouTubers. By what year and what month will we realize that we are actually doing ourselves more harm than good? Because if you check very well, you will find out that once they drop video, if you check most of the people that are watching their videos and dropping comments, it is small YouTubers like us. Hell, so my dear, I have come to open your eyes. I realized this mistake today, and immediately I realized it, and I work on it and see what I'm having. This is a channel that I created as of last week, Wednesday or Thursday. Look at what is here. My dear, the earlier you open your eyes, the better for you. Actually, these people, they have tricks. They have tricks. Now I have come to realize their tricks. So my dear, start growing your own massively now, like the way they did. This is the secret. This is the strategy. This is the tips. There is no Jupiter about it. There is no magic, my dear. This is just the trick they are using. Now, if this sounds interesting to what you love to hear, please watch this video from the beginning to the end, and please help me subscribe and make sure please that you turn on the notification because of this thing I'm about to tell you right now. It will help you. Turn on the notification and please help me and like, because we need wider audience. Hello guys, yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching my video, my name is Vera Ugo. Yeah, welcome and welcome back. Okay, so in this YouTube, what we do here is we share tips, strategies, ideas that will help us to grow in this our YouTube platform. We all know that it is not easy here, but you having come to meet Vera Ugo, everything is going to be easy. I'm about to tell you something. You don't know this one. I'm about to tell you something. Do you know that I actually uploaded a video as of yesterday, which is Sunday? I uploaded a video. That video, almost 20 hours later, I was having only 4 views. And that 4 views that I had in that video was actually me, one of my accounts, and my husband. Do you know that immediately I was able to get this knowledge that I'm about to impact on you now, everything changed. Immediately I did this particular thing I'm about to tell you, everything changed for good. Now look at what I'm having. As of then, I was having only 5 subscribers. Honestly, now look at what I'm also having. Alright, now you have, okay guys, now you have seen the result of what I'm telling you, and see how growth massive is going to give to your channel. Now listen very attentively. If you're interested in this, I need a very matured, serious people. That is what I need. A very matured, serious people that know what they want. They know that this hustle they are hustling, they are actually hustling it for their future purpose. So if you're actually interested, email me with your WhatsApp number. I will add you up in my group ASAP. We start work. So what I'm actually doing, most people are also doing it in this platform, but the only thing here is that we need to do it in a very smart way. I have been getting a lot of testimonies from people about this particular thing. Some videos that I have watched here of recent, I just made a good research. A lot of people are giving testimonies. A lot of people have monetized their accounts, about to earn. Some have started earning, and we are here deceiving ourselves, thinking it's by posting what is trending. What is trending will also help us, but once we post it and there's no view, then how is it going to lift? How is algorithm going to lift it? So my dear, the only thing here is that People are actually engaging with their fellow YouTubers, especially the new ones. As a new YouTuber, you need to start engaging with others as soon as possible, smartly, cleverly. You don't need to do it in a such a way that it will hurt your account. So how do you do this? It's very simple. Let's assume the way you are watching my video now. After watching my video, you just drop a comment. After you drop a very relevant comment relating to what you just watched, you drop the comment, you like, then you subscribe and turn on notification. So you have done that part. And me myself now, when I come and see someone new on my comment section, you know what I need to do. So what I normally do is that when I come and see a new person commenting on my video, so I will just check out the person's channel and see if there's any video. Then I will engage. I will engage and subscribe and support the person as well. And I always turn on notifications so that each time the person drop another video, I'll be able to watch continuously. Like that, me and that person will now become very close and we start engaging to our video each time we drop videos. So that is the best way. There's no need of doing once you just go and relax. No, if you actually want to grow in this channel, if you actually want to grow in this platform, my dear, keep on helping your fellow newcomers. Help others so that they will help you as well. Keep on helping them. As you are helping them, you're also helping yourself. But it's no, unless you have helped the person like 2 or 3 times and you find that the person is not actually reciprocating, you will just leave. You get that, just it. So my dear, can you imagine just see me getting this number of subscribers within the space of how many days? So feel free to connect with Vera Ugo anytime you see my videos and continue, because you will not regret it. This is just the way. Let's just help ourselves, my dear. If you're interested on my WhatsApp group, just email me on this email, okay? I will add your number. Email me with your phone number, your WhatsApp phone number precisely. I will add you up so that we continue our wisely engagement, okay? Bye. See you in my next video.